Namaskaram. In today's class we are going to learn writing in binary files. Most of the files in our computer system are binary files. A binary file can be a document file, an image file, a video file, an audio file, etc. And all these binary files follow a specific format. The objects that we are going to write into the binary file will be converted into byte streams or in the form of binary format. That's the format in which a machine can understand. Then while reading, this binary format will convert back into the original form. We have studied how to write a string into a text file. Then now we are going to learn how to write the objects like list, tuple, dictionary, etc. into a binary file. Program to write the details of a student in the form of a list into binary file student.dat. Now the file extension I have used is DAT. First step is importing the module pickle. Pickling is the process of converting Python object into a byte stream so that it can be written into a file. The objects like list, tuple, dictionaries are having some structure. So it is important that they are stored in a way so that the structure is maintained. So this pickling converts an object into byte stream in such a way that it can be reconstructed in original form when unpickled. Unpickling is the inverse of pickling. That is, a byte stream is converted into an object. And this pickling is also called serialization and unpickling is called deserialization. So we have imported pickle module to write into the binary file. Import pickle. Then we have to open our file. F equal to open file name student.dat. Then the file mode WB. WB means write and binary, or you can give append mode. So my file student.dat will be opened in append and binary mode. Next we have to create a list with student details. RNO equal to input roll number, then name, input name, then mark equal to float of input mark. Then using these details I am going to create a list. This list I can consider as a student's record. So I am going to give record equal to, then RNO, name and mark. I have created my record in the form of a list with roll number, name and mark. Then we have to write this record which is in the form of a list into the binary file. The function to write in a binary file is dump. It is in pickle module, so you have to give pickle dot dump. Dump. Then first you have to give what to dump. That is our record. Then where to dump. It is into the file student.dat. And that file is pointed by our file handle F. So give F here. So the arguments are first one the object, then the file handle. Then at last close the file. F dot close. So first import pickle. Then open the file in write binary or append binary mode. Then input the values. Then write into the file. At last close the file. I am going to execute my program. Roll number 1, name Surya, mark 80, See, my file student.dat is created. If I open this file in Notepad, see the file content, it is not human readable foo. This program is to write a single record into the binary file. If we want to write as many records as users interest, we can give a loop. A loop variable ch equal to while, then while ch in capital or small letter y, then inside this while loop my statements, then after writing ch equal to input more records, yes or no. So this loop will continue till I press the character other than y. Execute. Roll number 2, name Manoj, mark 95, more records, yes. Roll number 3, name Vidya, mark 87, more records, no. I have written 2 more records in my file student.dat. If you want to write a tuple, you can create a tuple and write into the file. Similarly, you can write your dictionary object also. So in this video, we have studied how to write into a binary file, and in next video, we will see how to read from a binary file. Thank you.